Hello everyone and welcome to the Trade Ideas live trading room recap for Monday, March the 11th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you may have for me, you can use this email address. And here's a link. Now, there's the link for the Omnovia or Webinato trading room, soon to disappear, guys. In fact, today I didn't even do the screen sharing. I was monitoring just for the posts, no screen sharing. Again, in the body of this email, you'll see the link for the new trading room. Now, it's a temporary link. I mean, you can use it until we tell you not to, but all we're really waiting for now is to create the proper login procedure for the new trading room. But, you know, the link you see in this email, you can certainly use. I open the room at 9 o'clock Eastern Time. That's when I start to share my screen. And I get live on the mic at about 9:05, and I go up to 3:30, Mondays to Thursdays, and 3 o'clock on Fridays. Now, personally, I had a very, very indifferent day trading. I had a couple of three trades and a couple of little losses and one little gain. But I was a little bit distracted. I was kind of waiting for our developer of the room, to come into the trading room. He was a little bit delayed, but boy, when he came in, he answered a lot of questions. He's a very, very helpful individual. He says he's going to show up again tomorrow. So if you have any questions about the room, features you'd like, now's your time to come into the room and literally ask the developer himself, what can or cannot be done. It's that simple. I do want to go over Holly, though, today because, I wish I had been able to pay a little more attention to Holly, especially Holly Neo. You can see right here, Holly Neo is up over $1,000 on 10 trades, risking $100 per trade. Okay, now, yes, that does not include commissions and any slippage you might have. But even on risk off, which means, okay, you're out of every trade exactly when Holly got out, and I'm going to show you what I mean. You'd still be at $500 if you got out exactly when Holly got out. This means you're still in every trade. So let's take a look at some of these trades, which, some of them were exactly, you know what, I better do this. Move this over. Sometimes hopefully this fits right here. Great. Some of them fit exactly the price range that I really, really like to trade. Look at Funko. Sorry, symbol linking is not. There we go. Okay, so look at Funko as an example. So there was the alert right here, 1932. Hits a high at 2007. Great percentage increase. USX, here's the alert, 832. Hits 859. Pretty good percentage increase. A little bit choppy, but still, pretty good. What was the other one that I saw? Even this AQB. Now it's come back a little bit, and it really didn't do anything for a while. But 372, and then it popped over to 411, 410. I think there was a couple of others, but just some really, really nice ones, especially in the. I think this one, Aries, at one point was quite nice. 2333 hits 2388. So Holly had some really really nice trades today. And again, when I always talk about, there was another one I want to show you. Maybe the other, maybe not. I do want to show you another feature though that is coming, which I think is going to be very helpful. And I've talked about this in the room, but look at DocU as an example. Now, one of the reasons I don't like taking trades in the first 15 minutes is for exactly this reason. So Holly got into this trade at 56.54. The stop price was at 56.29, and it hit it probably almost immediately. Probably, I don't know when I could have the stop price or the stop timeout, but I'll bet you that was very, very quick. But we do have now a new feature that is coming. I mean, I already have it, obviously. I'm going to be able to show it to you. But when the release is, I'm not 100% sure. Hopefully sometime this week. But what it does is this. So there's a stop, 56.29. And there's the original entry of 56.54. Now, this is not highly scientific. But if the price gets back up halfway between, okay, halfway between, you'll get another entry signal. Because the theory being, well, you know what, maybe Holly was just a little bit early, but now, because for all the reasons why Holly got alerted the first time, they're still in place. It's just that maybe it was just a little bit early. So you see what happens is you'll see there's a reentry time of 9:39 and a reentry price of 56.42, which is halfway between 56.54 and 56.29. You get the alert, and then now I'm not saying they're all going to work this incredibly well, but look what will happen if if you see that alert and you say, okay, I'm going to take this trade again. Got stopped out the first time, and now look what happened. Again, Holly was just a little bit early. So these are things that again, they're obviously, I mean, they're here now. I'm not sure exactly when that release is going to be released, but I would hope maybe sometime this week. And so those of you with Holly, you'll have another opportunity. And look, sometimes you wouldn't have even taken that trade. Maybe you didn't even take that trade, but now you're able to follow it later. Not that much later actually. I mean, 9:39. So, I mean, look at that. Holly got. I mean, this is. I mean, another reason I don't like trading that first. She must have got stopped out almost immediately, because the alert was at 9:38. Okay. She gets out, and then it comes right back within about a minute later to that re-entry. So she must have got stopped out in seconds on that particular alert. But anyway, it allows you an opportunity to get back in, even if you didn't get in the first time. It's just sort of a second opportunity. All right, I want to shut this down, bring back the capture, and again, if you have any questions for me, you can use this email address. I almost feel like the only reason I don't put the other link in is because it's not an official link yet for the other room. This has to still be created. You'll have the link in the email you're getting, but it's not like a proper login where you'll create you'll give us your email, you'll create a password and all that. So that's why I don't put this in here right now. So anyway, hope everybody has a great evening. Hope everybody has a great evening, and we'll see you in our trading room tomorrow. Bye-bye.